The big males are restless. This is a dangerous time for young bears. Male polar bears often kill cubs to take away the offspring of other males, so they can try to mate with the mothers, or even sometimes for food. But bears are some of the most fearless and devoted mothers. At the first hint of trouble, she gives the intruder the clear message to back down. To relax, the family have a snow bath. They'll soon have thousands of miles of sea ice to spread out over, with plenty of new opportunities to hunt and the chance to get away from other bears.